हेलो दोस्तों, मैं आर के फिर हाजिर हूँ आपके लिए लेकर एक और नया वीडियो मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग MCQ 01। दोस्तों, आज के हम इस वीडियो में स्टडी करेंगे मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग के 25 इम्पोर्टेंट मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। These questions have asked repeatedly in various competitive exams. दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल स्टडी पॉइंट को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। और चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं हम आज का वीडियो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। In a petrol engine, the tendency for detonation increases with option A retarded spark timing, B running the engine at high speed, C supercharging, and option D increasing the cooling rate. And right answer is option C supercharging. Next question. Question number 2. A satellite floats in deep space with very high velocity. It will continuously lose heat by option A convection, B conduction and convection, option C radiation, and option D radiation and convection. And इसका सही आंसर will be option C radiation, because in deep space there will be vacuum, and in vacuum heat can be transferred through the radiation mode only. Next question. Question number 3. In unsteady state heat conduction for bodies with negligible temperature gradients, the time temperature variation curve is option A linear, B parabolic, C sinusoidal, and option D exponential. और इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन डी एक्सपोनेंशियल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. व्हाट डज NTU इंडिकेट? ऑप्शन ए effectiveness of heat exchanger, B efficiency of heat exchanger, C size of heat exchanger, and option D temperature drop in heat exchanger. Friends, NTU means होता है number of transfer unit and it indicate option C size of heat exchanger. Next question. Question number 5. During the sensible cooling process, specific humidity option A remain constant, B increases, C decreases, and option D unpredictable. And its right answer is option A remain constant. During sensible cooling process, specific humidity remain constant. Next question. Question number 6. The resultant of all normal pressures on a body emerge in a liquid acts. Option A through the center of gravity of the body, B through the center of pressure, option C vertically upward, and option D at metacenter. And right answer will be option B through the center of pressure. Next question. Question number 7. A velocity potential function exists only for option A steady flow, B uniform flow, C irrotational flow, and option D compressible flow. For velocity potential function exist only for option C irrotational flow. Next question. Question number 8. Creep of belt can be controlled by option A decreasing belt length, B reducing stress in belt, C increase center distance, and option D reducing belt velocity. And right answer will be option B reducing stress in belt. Creep can be controlled by reducing stress in belt. Next question. Question number 9. The differential screw is used in a option A turnbuckle, B micrometer, C vernier caliper and option D coupler. एंड इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी माइक्रोमीटर. द डिफरेंशियल स्क्रू इज यूज्ड इन ए माइक्रोमीटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Which of the following screw threads is adopted for power transmission in either direction? Option A Acme thread, B square threads, C multiple threads and D buttress threads. एंड इसका सही आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी स्क्वायर थ्रेड. पावर ट्रांसमिशन के लिए स्क्वायर थ्रेड यूज किया जाता है दोनों डायरेक्शन में पावर ट्रांसमिट करने के लिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. द पिस्टन पिन बेयरिंग्स इन हैवी ड्यूटी डीजल इंजन्स आर. ऑप्शन ए नीडल रोलर बेयरिंग्स, B taper rollers bearings, option C spherical roller bearings and option D cylindrical roller bearings. And its right answer will be needle roller bearings. Next question. Question number 12. Line imperfection in a crystal is called option A Miller defect, B Frankel defect, option C Scotty defect and option D edge dislocation. And its right answer is edge dislocation. Next question. Question number 13. Which of the following process is also known as high energy rate forming? Option A high velocity forming, B explosive fabrication, option C electro-hydraulic forming and option D magnetic pulse forming. And right answer will be option B explosive fabrication. Next question. Question number 14. Tool life increases with increase in option A cutting speed, B nose radius, C feed and D depth of cut. And right answer होगा option B nose radius. Tool life increases with increase in nose radius. Next question. Question number 15. The most important function of cutting fluid is to option A provide lubrication, B cool the tool and workpiece, C wash away the chips and option D improve surface finish. फ्रेंड्स कटिंग फ्लूइड को हम कूलेंट भी बोलते हैं एंड इट्स मेन फंक्शन इज ऑप्शन बी कूल द टूल एंड वर्कपीस. B is the right answer. Next question. Question number 16. The critical speed of shaft depends on option A mass only, B stiffness only, C mass and stiffness, option D mass, stiffness and eccentricity. और इसका सही आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी mass and stiffness. The critical speed of a shaft depend on mass and stiffness of the shaft. C will be the right answer. Next question. Question number 17. In the case of involute system of gears, if the center distance is changed, option A the velocity ratio changes, B the pressure angle changes, option C the pitch circle remain unaffected. And option D, the law of gearing fails to get satisfied. और इसका सही आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी, the pressure angle changes. Next question. Question number 18. Bernoulli's equation is applicable between any 2 points in option A, rotational flow of an incompressible fluid, option B, irrotational flow of compressible or incompressible fluids, option C, steady rotational flow of an incompressible fluid, and option C and option D, steady irrotational flow of an incompressible fluid. And right answer will be option D, steady irrotational of an incompressible fluid. Bernoulli equation applicable. Next question. Question number 19. The piezometric head is summation of A, option A, velocity head and pressure head, B, pressure head and elevation head, C, elevation head and velocity head, and option D, velocity head, pressure head and elevation head. Friends, summation means होता है total. The piezometric head is the sum of option B, pressure head and elevation head. B will be the right answer. The piezometric head is the summation of pressure head and elevation head. Next question. Question number 20. In a nozzle designed to produce a supersonic jet, the flow in the convergent section will always be option A, subsonic, B, sonic, C, supersonic, and D, transonic. And right answer will be option A, subsonic. Next question. Question number 21. The pump preferred to be used for pumping highly viscous fluid belongs to the category of option A, screw pump, B, turbine pump, C, plunger pump, and option D, centrifugal pump. Pump preferred to be used for pumping highly viscous fluid, the category of option A, screw pump. हाईली विस्कस फ्लूइड को पंप करने के लिए हमें स्क्रू पंप यूज करना होता है. ए विल बी द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. एन एडजस्टेबल ब्लेड प्रोपेलर टर्बाइन is called as option A, Bunky turbine, B, Pelton turbine, C, Kaplan turbine, and option D, Francis Pelton turbine. And right answer will be option C, Kaplan turbine. An adjustable blade propeller turbine is also called Kaplan turbine. C will be the right answer. Next question. Question number 23. Boundary layer separation is caused due to option A, laminar flow changing to turbulent flow, B, velocity gradient being zero at the wall, option C, reduction in pressure to vapor pressure, and option D, decrease in boundary layer thickness to a negligible value. और इसका सही आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी, velocity gradient being zero at wall. When velocity gradient becomes zero at wall, the separation, boundary layer separation start. So B will be our right answer. Next question, question number 24. A venturimeter is a device based on Bernoulli principle and is used for measuring option A velocity, B pressure drop, C total head, and option D flow rate. And right answer will be option D flow rate. जो वेंचुरीमीटर होता है वो बर्नौली प्रिंसिपल पर काम करता है और ये फ्लो रेट मेजरिंग करने के काम आता है. तो डी विल बी आवर राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. In a impulse steam turbine, the enthalpy drop of steam take place in option A nozzles, B rotor blades, C stator blades, and option D exhaust pipe. And इसका सही आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए नोजल्स. इम्पल्स टरबाइन में जो एंथैल्पी ड्रॉप जो होता है वो नोजल्स में होता है. तो ए विल बी आवर राइट आंसर. तो दोस्तों ये था आज का हमारा वीडियो. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया है तो प्लीज लाइक एंड शेयर द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल स्टडी पॉइंट. थैंक यू दोस्तों. फिर मिलेंगे हम एक और नई वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.